the Little Learning Programming with Airbus Foundation. We learned about the metro stations in Saudi and how it's going to affect the future and how it's beneficial. We also learned how the buses and the metros are always interconnected, so you can go anywhere and everywhere for a good, efficient cost. And it helps the environment. It's good for time saving. Today we learned through our skills that programming is not as hard as it seems, and it's very easy when you put your mind to it, and that time is a very, very valuable part. If you don't do stuff based on time and thinking of time, you're not going to be able to finish. So you're going to have to be time efficient. You're going to have to be organized. I learned team working skills by working with my team, and we programmed maybe 4 or 5 routes leading to different parts in Saudi, all based on the Saudi metro stations. And this is all thanks to Airbus Foundation.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.